Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Doom, the Dark Ages on your Legion Go. First, ensure your Legion Go's operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated for optimal performance. When the game releases, verify its minimum system requirements against your device's specifications. Also, make sure you have ample storage, perhaps over 100 gigabytes, available for the game's installation. This preparation will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience from the start. To get the best performance, make sure to utilize your Legion Go's various performance modes, which can significantly impact frame rates. Always close any background applications running, as they consume valuable system resources. If you experience any stuttering, try lowering the in-game resolution or adjusting graphical presets. Keeping an eye on your device's temperature is also crucial to avoid thermal throttling, ensuring consistent, high-quality gameplay for hours. Your Legion Go offers flexible controller options. Customize button mappings to suit your playstyle perfectly. Don't forget to experiment with the display's refresh rate, which can go up to 144 Hz for incredibly fluid visuals. Adjusting the display scaling ensures all text and user interface elements are clear and readable. For an even grander experience, consider connecting your Legion Go to an external monitor or television. If you encounter any issues, first consult the official game forums and community pages. Many common problems have readily available solutions. Always verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher, like Steam or Xbox, to fix corrupted data. For any hardware-specific performance concerns, reaching out to Legion Go support is your best course of action. Finally, ensure your operating system and game launchers are consistently updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.